Reading my paper in Ray's Cafe. The old guy next to me is loud as day. Ramble and ramble while eating his pie. He dropped his wallet, now it's mine. Sorry, old man, but that's just the way that it is. Don't bother now. Won't have a oh to worry about it. Pick up the wallet and slipped outside. I walked around and walked around and walked around town. I found my nerve and a good place to hide, only to find no cash inside. Oh well, I guess that's just the way that it is. Don't bother. Met a little darling with the face of a star. In the morning, woke out to find she stole my car along with my heart, yeah. Oh well, I guess that's just the way that it is. Don't bother none. Won't have a lot to worry about it.